In this video, you will learn how to draw different shapes like rectangle, circle in a video captured by our webcam. Let's import CV2. Now I'm going to make one variable cap. From CV2, I will call the function video capture. Inside this, I will pass 0 because it will automatically detect our webcam and capture our video. Then I'm going to define the width and height of our shape. I will write here width, and then I will going to convert this into integer. That's why I will call here int. Then from cap I will call get, and then from cv2 I will call cap underscore prop underscore frame, and then I will select here width. And now similarly I'll do for height here int, and then I can just copy and paste this here, and instead of width I have to call here height, and I'll select here height. And then now this is the height and width of our video, and now I'm going to define the height and width of rectangle, and I'll write here, let me also comment here, height and width of the video, and then height and width height and width of the shapes. I will make one parameter w, and then we will divide this width that we have defined above by 4, and then height is going to be height divided by 4, and then we will also define the top left corner of this image where we are going to place these different shapes. This is going to be x is equal to width by 2, and then y is going to be height by 2. Now I'm going to define a while loop. While true, then this will return two objects, return and frame. Then I'm going to call our cap, and from this I will call the function read. Then I will call cv2 dot rectangle because I'm going to draw the shape of rectangle in our video, and then I will write here frame, and this will be, and then we will have this frame, and we will write here x and y. So this is going to be our video. This x and y is going to be our top left corner, and then I will write here x plus w, and then y plus height, and then color. So here I will define also color. Color is going to be 0, 0 and 255. So this is BGR. Blue and green will be 0, and we will only see red color in the rectangle. That is why 255 for red here. And then the thickness of that rectangle is going to be, let's say 5. Just wait for a minute and you will see some magic. You will really enjoy. And then we will display our video cv2.imshow. Then our frame is going to be our frame in which our video is saved, and then we are going to finally close this video. If cv2.wait key, let's say 5 seconds, and then and 0xff is equal to ord, and then let's say I'll write here p, then just break it. Now let us execute our code. You will see a pop-up here. Let's open this, and now you can see this red color rectangle here. This is what we have defined here. Here you will see we have the cv2 dot rectangle, and this is the area, this is just the area in this entire video where we want to place this object rectangle. You can choose different number here. Instead of 4 you can write here 3, 4, 5, 6, anything. So this is just the area in the video where you want to place the shape of this rectangle. Now if I wave my hand here, you will see it will appear in this rectangle as well. And if I press P, then this will destroy, or this will close this. This will not close it because I forgot to write two more parameters or two more functions. I'll try to close it manually, but this will take some time now. Close the program. So if you also face something like this, then just click here, cap dot release, and then cv2 dot destroy all windows. Now let us run our code again. Now you can see here pop up, and I'll just wave my hand here, and if I press P this time it should close it. I'll press P now and it has closed. Last time I forgot to write these two important functions. You have to write it, otherwise you will also see that error that your screen will freeze and then it will just kill your kernel. And if you want to change the color, so let's say I will make red as 0, the first one is blue, so I will write here 255. Now the video, the rectangle shape will be blue. If I execute this code again, you can see that the rectangle shape is blue now, and I'll press this P here. And if I just want to see green here, so instead of 0 I will write here 255, and let us execute our code, and this time it will be green. So you can see that it is green. Now I'll press this P button here. So I hope you got the importance of this color here. So you can just select the color of your own choice. This is how you can capture your own video and also draw different shapes. We have just seen a rectangle, but you can also draw different shapes like a circle, line, or etc. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.